Alright guys, sometimes it's nice to have the correct tool to really step up your game in fabrication and have some better results. That's where this EastWood box and pan brake comes into play. If you watch some of my other videos, you'll know that I'm working on a gas tank for the Montesa Trials bike here in the background, and I needed to make some really nice bends. I could have made something up in the shop, but I just wanted to buy something and be done with it. I didn't want to spend a lot of money because there's a lot of other tools I need to buy as well so I can get that fuel tank built. So I scoured the internet and came across this EastWood. This is the EastWood 12-inch box and pan sheet metal brake. Sometimes it's called a finger brake because it has these 5 removable and adjustable fingers here. Each one is a different size, so you can get it to adjust to the size of the material you're working with. It bends up to 135 degrees. It has 5 adjustable and removable fingers. It bends up to 20 gauge steel or 16 gauge aluminum with 1 3/4 inch depth on your box. EastWood has this listed for $189, and I found a discount code that brought it down to $170. And then it was about $39 to ship out to California. The 24-inch is $289, and with the discount code, it's $260, which is far less than anywhere else I could find on the internet. But if you can find it less expensive, please list that down in the comments so everybody will have that for a reference. While looking around on the internet to try to find an inexpensive brake, you'll notice that a lot of these look identical, just different colors. And I've read on a few forums that guys kind of say that they all come from the same factory in China. So why not try to save yourself some money and get the least expensive one as you can? One of my favorite YouTubers is Kyle Voss, and his channel is called the Fab Forums. He does a lot of fabrication projects, and he also features a lot of tools for fabrication. He is also sponsored by EastWood, so he'll do some videos sometimes featuring EastWood tools, and he'll have some discount codes. I watched one of his videos on a different EastWood tool he was featuring, and he had a discount code, and that's what I use on this tool. So it seems like those discount codes are good for anything on their website. If you're in the market for a finger brake, go to eastwood.com and pick one of these up and save yourself some money. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Make sure you don't miss any of my other videos. The Montesa fuel tank build could be really interesting because I've never built a gas tank before and I've never TIG welded aluminum. So it's going to be a learning process. Thanks for watching.